Alright, third time's the charm. I've had to record this so many times, I'm starting to lose my mind. The backing music that I put on has been much too loud for quite a few goes around, and there's not a lot I've been able to do about that because I didn't know how to work the interface very well. So here I am drawing the Mosquito Mask. It is a magical item for Strange Treasures Volume 2. It was in Volume 1, and I liked it so much, I wanted to do it again. So we have about a week and a half until I'm at Compulsion 2023. That is a convention in Edinburgh, and I'm looking forward to going. And I wanted to see if I could get some of Strange Treasures finished, enough of Strange Treasures finished, to be able to print out a small, very small run of zines, and then to sell them to people at the convention. We will see. Hopefully. The brush I'm using right now is a rigger brush. It's intended for painting rigging on a ship. It's also called a liner brush because it's really good for doing lines. And I am using it for its intended purpose. There's a quick blast with the heat gun because I don't have a hairdryer here. I don't have any hair, I don't need a hair dryer. And here's my new Goose Quill. The one I was using before was not properly comfortable. It was a bit too small, it was a bit too thin, because I'd been using it and recutting it for so long. That is part of the joy of Goose Quills, is that as you use them and they get worn out, instead of throwing them away, you just cut them and reuse them and reuse them and reuse them until you can't anymore, like a pencil. So this is my first one. It's a bit of a trial and error pretty much every time you make one because it's a natural product. Every Goose Quill is shaped just a little bit differently from every other one. So this one didn't sit quite right in my hand when I had it cut at this angle. And in a minute I'm gonna recut it at a drastically different angle. Yeah, you can see me trying to get it balanced in my hand. So, having recut it to a drastically different angle, I am now recutting the nib so that it's a little bit stiffer, but still very narrow. That's the way I have found that I like it best. There we go, a bit of the old ink. And I am trying my very best not to get carried away doing hatching on these drawings, but I generally do get carried away with it because I really like doing the hatching, and it's sometimes a little bit hard to stop. The Mosquito Mask can provide nourishment in a most unusual way. Have a good night, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video.